Do you ever read the comments that people leave on YouTube videos? The revolution has begun. MYGA! Welcome to this episode of Shorter is Better, where I quickly go over a single topic, both educating you and saving your time. Proving once again what I've been saying for years, that shorter is better. Today I'm going to talk about what you can or cannot listen to on a Baofeng UV-5R radio or any UHF or VHF type radio, GMRS radio, ham radio. Most of these radios are able to receive UHF and VHF. What you can or cannot actually listen to. Not long ago, I made a video about how to use your UV-5R as a scanner so that you can listen to your local emergency services. And on that video, many experts, YouTube certified comment experts, left comments saying you cannot listen to anything, any emergency services on a UV-5R or any scanner or type radio. You can't listen to anything because they're all digital and encrypted. There's nothing to listen to. So in this video, I'm here to prove once again that the self-appointed basement experts on YouTube are idiots. Now on that video and most other videos, I deleted all those inaccurate, stupid comments because I do not allow comments. I don't allow the comment section to run amok on my YouTube channel. MYGA. Don't you wish that other YouTubers and other YouTube channels did the same thing and took control of the comments on their videos? That's what MYGA is for. If you don't know what MYGA is, when I keep saying MYGA, what's MYGA? Read that quick write-up on what MYGA is and how it can change your life. So I have my KG935G affiliate link below that I have set up to scan local emergency services, something that the experts, YouTube certified basement dwelling experts said is not even possible. Now it's the same. It doesn't matter if you're using a UV-5R, a GMRS V1, a ham radio. It doesn't matter. Any radio that can scan or listen to UHF and VHF frequencies, you can do the same thing, even though the experts said it's impossible. So here's a list of what I listen to, what I'm able to scan through. I've got 45 different frequencies that I scan through. They're all local to my area.
171 only, abdominal pain to BLS, near the repair shop, across the street from this address, 217 Hillcrest Boulevard.
Now I shouldn't have been able to even hear that, because the experts said it's impossible. It's all digital and encrypted. The experts are morons. So here's what I listen to. CAL FIRE, that's the California State Firefighting Agency. Federal law enforcement, local federal law enforcement. Those are federal police.
It's in Squad 73, SIC ALS, in front of the Orchard Arms Apartments.
All right, enough of that. Multiple frequencies of San Bernardino County Fire. It's a big county. San Bernardino Fire tactical frequencies. Those are what some of the firefighters will use, talking directly to one another instead of to the dispatcher. Tactical 2, multiple tactical channels. The company that does the ambulance services for San Bernardino County, the county in which I live. Search and rescue. I live near the mountains and near the desert. So search and rescue, every time a hiker slips and hurts his ankle, I hear about it. Multiple search and rescue tactical. The local city of Ontario Fire Department. The U.S. Forest Service. Again, I live near the mountains. The Forest Service Rangers I can listen to. Multiple LA County fires. Even though LA County is miles from me, that address that you heard dispatched over the radio a minute ago, that's probably 70 miles away or more, but because they use some sort of repeater system, I'm able to hear it on my little KG935G, available only at buy2aradios.com. Affiliate link below. Where was I before I started spamming? Forest Service, more Forest Service, tactical ranger to ranger frequencies. Forest Service law enforcement. Forestry Service has their own police force rangers. U.S. Forest Service air dispatch. When there's a fire and they send out the airplane, the water bombers, I hear about it. Riverside County, that's the county that's next to me. Their main fire dispatching. Multiple frequencies of that. Generic San Bernardino County services. CAL FIRE. CAL FIRE Air Tactical. Airplanes talking back to each other. I can hear that. Mutual aid, I don't even know what that is, but they're busy on the weekends. So that's just a few of the frequencies and the things that I'm able to listen to where I live. And I live in a big county. I live in I believe, the largest county in the United States. So this is not just some rinky-dink little podunk area, although there is a bit of podunking going on from time to time. All of these frequencies are available. Anybody can listen to them. You can find them all on radioreference.com. Just go to radioreference.com. Click on your state, go down to your city or your county, you'll find them there. Now, I did list some law enforcement frequencies that I listen to, but this is where the confusion comes in. In most areas, most police communications are digital and encrypted. And this is the root of many stupid and inaccurate comments, because in most areas, the majority of areas, you can't listen to police and law enforcement agencies on the radio. It's encrypted. You can't listen to it. You either need a special scanner or you just can't listen to it at all, but you can't listen to a lot of them, most of them, using a regular UHF VHF radio. So when the experts say you can't listen to anything, what they mean to say is you can't listen to most law enforcement or very much stuff in most areas. Very different from you can't listen to anything. They always seem to get confused between everything and some things. It's all or nothing with these people. To be fair to their point, most law enforcement, most police departments are fully digital and fully encrypted, meaning you can't listen to them, again, at least not without a special radio, if at all. But there are still in many areas federal law enforcement, like what I'm able to hear, and even with the agencies that do use digital encryption and digital communications, there are still some what they call tactical frequencies, where they're talking cop to cop instead of to the dispatcher, that may not be encrypted. So there is still some law enforcement that you may be able to listen to in some areas. Very different from you can't listen to anything. So as you've already seen, there are still many agencies that use good old-fashioned radio communications that anybody can legally listen in on with no special equipment required other than a UHF VHF capable receiver, proving once again that you should never trust what some random butt slug posts as fact in the comments section on YouTube. MYGA. If you have any questions about what you can or cannot listen to using a UV-5R or any UHF VHF radio, leave a comment below. I will do my best to answer. If I'm not able to answer, someone else will come along and they will try, but they will probably get it wrong. MYGA.